I'm Shauna Mingus, the Culinary Arts teacher here at North Star Academy. Are you in a quarantine cooking rut? I kind of am. My kids are getting really tired of the same noodles every day for lunch. I wanted to come up with some ideas to help you use what you already have in your pantry to make new creations that even your kids will like. Today we're going to make black bean sweet potato burgers, and they're based on a recipe from this, which is one of my favorite cookbooks.
The Blue Zone's Kitchen by Dan Buettner.
We're going to make it a little bit simplified to make sure that you have everything that you need on hand.
All that you need is 1 large sweet potato, 1.5 cups of oatmeal, 1 can of black beans, salt and pepper, and additional spices that you like. Start by cooking your sweet potato. The easiest way to do this is to cut it into large chunks, put it in a pot of water and bring it to a boil, and then lower to a simmer for approximately 20 to 25 minutes until it's soft. Then pull off the skin and mash it. Once your sweet potatoes are mashed, you can start grinding your rolled oats. You can either use a food processor or a blender, put your rolled oats in and grind them for maybe 10 seconds. Now you're ready to mix all of your ingredients together. You want to make sure you mash your black beans before putting them in the bowl, which is a step I forgot in this video. Add your mashed black beans to the mashed sweet potatoes. Add in the spices. You can mix this by hand or with a stand mixer, and then add your oatmeal. Shape them into patties that are about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick, and then heat olive oil on medium heat and start frying your patties. Leave them for about 4 minutes on each side. You want to get a good crunchy crust on the outside to give it some texture. I like to finish the patties in the oven on 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, just to make sure they're warmed all the way through. Then you can choose how you want to top them. This time I chose avocado, tomatoes, red onions, cheese, and kale, and because I didn't have any hamburger buns on hand, I used naan bread. It turned out fantastic. The taste of this burger is pretty sweet and fairly mild, so if you like a little heat to your food, you probably want to add extra spices in the beginning. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let us know what you thought.